Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response for Cara's Corner Crafty Challenge 2021, and it's time for March, and March's theme is Spring Love. And so today I am sharing with you the do-it-yourself Spring Easter milk carton. So Cara's Corner wanted you to think outside the box and use your dies, embellishment, ribbons, trims, twines, and stickers. The elements that must be used are something embossed and a box topper. So let me share with you what I used. First of all, I used these a bow from this Maggie Holmes bow collection by Crepe Paper, some alphabet stickers by the Paper Studio. They were from my stash. These Studio 18 doilies. This Gina Marie die. It's a basket. I really like this die a lot. A random die for the grass here. I used both of these. And then this Happy Easter. I'm not sure where I got this. It's pretty big. I'm not sure where I purchased this from. I'm sorry, I don't know. And then last but not least, this Gina Marie design circle or oval die. And I also used the embossing folder, which I forgot to keep out. So first let me show you, we had to make, well no, we didn't have to make, but she wanted us to make two versions. First was the mini. So I'm going to show you this adorable little mini milk carton. And I just used this paper that was literally just on my desk from a leftover design. And then I used this sweet little bow from Maggie Holmes. And my lighting here, I'm in my craft room and it's kind of late at night and I don't have very good lighting right now. And then I used a piece of twine to tie it. But isn't that so cute? Yeah, this took 3 tries. So once I got it done, I tied it, put a bow on it, and I was like, you're done. And then here is my larger size one. So I used some paper from my stash. It's this embossed polka dot paper. And then here's my doily. And then my initial, I used some ribbon to close the box up. And then I did use this, I forgot to mention this die that I got off of, I think it was AliExpress, with the little bunny. And he has his little paws. The bunnies have paws. I'm not sure. That are supposed to be on the outside, like he's peeking over. And I put those on there, but I didn't like the way they look. So I just kind of had him sitting in the basket with the grass on the side. I thought this was cute. And then on the side, I cut out a flower using my Cricut Joy. And this is my embossed element here. This Gina Marie Designs oval die. And I thought that was cute. And I have the same design on both sides with the flower and the oval embossed. And then on the back, I just put Happy Easter. So I kept it pretty simple. I was going to put some bling on it or some Nouveau drops, and then I decided I liked it as is. So these are my 2 little milk carton boxes, and this large one is pretty large, and you could put a lot of items in it. It looks like it's about 7 inches deep, so you can put quite a few things in this box if you want. So you want to check out Cara's Corner YouTube channel, and she'll show you exactly how to score and make these cute little milk box cartons, milk cartons. So let me know what you think below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.